Are you ready to capture your wildest adventures in breathtaking detail? Forget everything you thought you knew about action cameras. DJI is about to redefine the game with their latest masterpiece, the DJI Action 5 Pro. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Get ready to be blown away. The DJI dominance. DJI has long been a leader in the action camera industry, consistently redefining the standards of innovation and performance. Their journey began with the Osmo Action, a camera that challenged the market leaders by offering unmatched stabilization and image quality at the time. This set the stage for DJI's dominance as they continued to refine their technology with each new release. The Action 4 was a significant leap forward, boasting enhanced low-light performance, superior waterproofing, and advanced AI features, making it a favorite among adventurers and content creators alike. Now with the upcoming Action 5 Pro, DJI is poised to raise the bar even higher. This new model promises to deliver cutting-edge features that could redefine the user experience once again. While details are still emerging, rumors suggest the Action 5 Pro will include innovations such as an even more robust stabilization system, improved battery life, and advanced AI-driven modes that automatically optimize settings for different shooting scenarios. DJI's commitment to pushing the envelope ensures that each new product not only meets but often exceeds consumer expectations. As the Action 5 Pro approaches its launch, it's clear that DJI intends to maintain its dominance in the action camera market by continuing to offer tools that empower users to capture their most epic moments with unmatched precision and creativity. Unpacking the rumors. The tech world is abuzz with speculation about a significant upgrade in the next action camera. At the heart of these rumors is the potential inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, a leap from previous models. This sensor could dramatically enhance image quality, offering richer colors, better low-light performance, and overall sharper visuals. What's particularly exciting is the possibility of recording 5K video at 60 frames per second. This means ultra-smooth, high-resolution footage that captures even the smallest details, from fast-paced action to intricate textures. But the buzz doesn't stop there. Another rumor making waves is the introduction of wireless microphone compatibility. This feature could revolutionize how vloggers and content creators work, providing them with the ability to capture high-quality audio without the hassle of cables. It would allow for more dynamic filming setups, making it easier to record crisp, clear sound even in challenging environments. If these rumors prove true, they could signify a major shift in the capabilities of action cameras, setting a new standard for both video and audio quality, design, and display. If the leaks are accurate, the Action 5 Pro will maintain the iconic square shape with those beloved dual touchscreens, perfect for framing your shots and checking your performance without missing a beat. But will DJI add any design tweaks? We'll have to wait and see. Performance expectations. A larger sensor means more light, which translates to incredible low-light performance. We're expecting the Action 5 Pro to crush the competition in this area. And with DJI's image processing magic, we can anticipate stunning colors and dynamic range. But will it truly surpass GoPro's hero cameras? Stay tuned for our in-depth comparison, release date, and price. So, when can we get our hands on this beast? DJI usually drops their action camera bombshells in August, so we're expecting the Action 5 Pro to arrive in the second week of the month. As for the price, we're anticipating 2 variants, a standard model and a Pro version packed with extra goodies. Get ready to open your wallets. Are you as excited as we are about the DJI Action 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments below what features you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest updates. And remember, the best way to capture your adventures is with the best gear. Stay tuned for our in-depth review. The DJI Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be a true game changer. With its rumored specs and potential features, it's set to redefine what's possible in action cameras. Whether you're a professional athlete or just love capturing life's moments, this camera could be your new best friend. We can't wait to see what DJI has in store.